Assalamualaikum friend. Today I will teach you how to install JavaTV, and if you have installed JavaTV already, today I will be teaching you how you can fix these problems. Once you open the JavaTV box, you will find this device JavaTV. This is a LAN cable, this is HDMI cable, and this is charging cable. So you plug in the charging and HDMI cable with the JavaTV. If your router is near to your JavaTV, you can connect directly with cable through this port. This is your LAN port. For internet, this is HDMI port, this is power. So I will plug all these cables. I plugged all cables. This is the remote for JavaTV. So let's start on TV. Once you plug in all cables, you will see this display. This will be our first screen. Hold your center button from your remote. From here you need to select the language. If you want Arabic, you can select Arabic. If you want English, you can put the English language. I will be select English. If you want to connect your device with your Android phone, you can. If you want to skip, you can continue or skip. I will be skip this. There you need to connect your Wi-Fi. I will be connect first the Wi-Fi. If you have any Wi-Fi, it's not necessary you need to connect with HTC Wi-Fi. If you have hotspot from your mobile, you can connect. If you have any other connection, you can use JavaTV anywhere. Just need to connect the internet. I connect the internet here. It's being updated. It will be download all settings. It will be take maybe a few minutes, maybe 3 to 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. It depends on your internet connection speed. If your internet is fast, so it will be download this file quickly, and if your internet is slow, maybe it will be take some time. Our system update installation is almost done. After setting, it will be take 2 or 3 seconds, maybe 10 seconds waiting. Don't make it back, just wait. It should need to prepare the settings, so it will be take time, maybe 1 minute. It's depend on your LCD progress and your internet speed. So if it's fast, so it will be do fastly, and if it's slow, so it will be take time. If you want your Google setting here, you can. If you want to skip, you can skip this. These are term and condition. You need to accept this term and conditions. You need to accept. If you want to enter Gmail ID, you can sign in. If you want to skip, you can just skip this. Your JavaTV is installed now, but you must need to log in your ID. If you don't log in, it did not give you complete access. So I will teach you how you can log in. You need to come in the account setting. From here you can see at the last, this is account setting. Come here. Here you need to sign in. You have received a message from HTC, your login ID and password. So you need to enter here your login ID and password. This is username. I give the username. Here I need to enter login PIN. This is first my telephone number. If you have the HTC ID, if you change it, you will be receive the message from HTC. So you enter the new number. You need to enter telephone number and your access PIN. Once you enter the login and password, you will be got this screen. You need to select the default. No, you enter with the username and password. You enter your sign-in ID. No, your JavaTV will be work correct. You can see this JavaTV is working correct. This is live TV. Here you can go to all your channels. You can see at the left side, maybe you see clearly. These are one channel, two channel, and the last you can see 360. So you have the 360 channel in your JavaTV. If you face any problem to install JavaTV, comment me, so I will be solve your problem. If you face any problem and if your JavaTV create a problem, you can comment, I will be solve your problem. If you install the JavaTV properly and you want settings, so you can make any type of setting. If you want to see the channels, so you can go live TV, you will be found all channel here. If you want to install any other application, you can just go in app and you can install any type of application from Google Play Store. If you want to play game, you want to install game, you can just come into the game section and you want to install game. If you have any question, you can just comment me, so I will be make another video to solve your issue. If you like my video, so please thumbs up and share my video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.